Hello all, welcome back to this series of what's new in 2021 release wave 2, and today we'll be talking about a small but again useful feature about locations for non-inventory items. Now before I explain this, let me open my Business Central and let's go back to Business Central 18. So this is Business Central 18.4 North America or US localization sandbox. Now if I go into the items, I have two items here. One is non-inventory demo, and if you look on this one, this is a item of type non-inventory, and then there is a second item which is of type service which I have created. Now if I create a sales order, new sales order, I'll just pick a customer here, and in the lines, if I try to add non-inventory item, I'll be able to add it, and also I can add the service item, and then let's do an inventory item. Now till BC14 I can assign a location on the inventory item, but if I try it on the service item, it gives me an error. And let me zoom this in, okay, which is type must be equal to inventory if you have to use the location. So I refresh this page, and the same behavior was for the non-inventory items. So the service item and non-inventory item were not supposed to have locations on the documents. That was till Business Central 18. Now in Business Central 19, I have similar items here, non-inventory item of type non-inventory and a service item of type service. As you can see here, I don't have to open the card. So now if I go and create a new sales order, and in this I'll again choose a customer, and in onlines I'll do the same kind of example as we did test on Business Central 18. If I go ahead and start adding locations into it, now Business Central supports locations on non-inventory and service item. That's what is a summary of this feature which is added. And the value will flow into item ledger entry and to job ledger entries as those transactions get posted. Now this will help you in reporting purposes and also identifying where the item is, but make sure that you don't extend it to a while, because still now the warehouse operations are not supported for non-inventory and service items. So the feature is only to have allowing locations for non-inventory and service item on the transactions, and then the values will be available into ledgers. So I hope you like the feature. If you think how to use this feature in a business, let me know in comment section, and we'll see you next day with the next feature. Thank you.